1 minute scalping strategy, one indicator, but huge profits. Stay tuned to find out. Quickly, we have to set up our indicator, which is only an indicator using sessions. What you have to do, just go right here to indicators. It is this indicator, the symbol sessions from the third floor. The strategy will be taking place on the 1 minute time frame only. Between specific hours, I will show you what to look at, and then you are very easily able to enter a trade. You do not need to overcomplicate things with this one, and this is why I come up with strategies such as this one, because trading does not need to be complicated. Now we are here and we are interested only on this blue area right here, because this is the Asian session. And what we will be doing, I will take you back in time so that we do, let's say, 10 of these blue things, which is 10 sessions, actually, let's say 10 days or whatever. Let's start from this one over here. You are only on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, what you want to see, you have to be awake at 4 to 4:30, let's say, okay? And what you want to see, you want to identify what was the price doing before this time, let's say from 2 or from 1 o'clock until 4 o'clock. Okay, so you have to wake up at 4:15, something like that. And you see that price on the 1 minute time frame was making lower highs and lower lows, let's say. Okay, lower highs, lower lows. It's pretty easy to see that this is in a downtrend on the 1 minute time frame. What you are expecting now between, let's say, 4:30 and a little bit later on, you want to see a change of character. So in order to see my change of character, this would also be enough actually, because it is happening after 4:30. So when you see your first change of character at 4:30, then you are eligible to enter a trade from this order block down here. Okay, here we did see a change of character, and you might be claiming we saw the same thing here but it did not play out. Yes, because this strategy is taking place after 4:30 a.m. Amsterdam time, UTC +1. Okay, so you can adjust that to your own time zone. So there you go, you are over here, you see the first change of character right here. So now you have two order blocks because we are exactly right here. We have this order block over here and we have this order block as well down here. Remember, this is the 1 minute time frame only. So you can go ahead and place two trades in this occasion right here. Let's see. I think the first one is not stopped out, or it is stopped out, or isn't it? Actually, it is not stopped out. Even the first one is not stopped out right here. But in this occasion, I would be placing two trades, okay? Or I would be waiting to see how the first one plays out, and then I would be entering another one. And it is very simple what you are doing now. Let's say that you have added only this trade. No, let's include the two, the way that we would be doing it. Okay, we have those trades. Now what you are gonna be doing, you are gonna be targeting other highs that you have in mind. In this occasion, we have two trades running now, which is very, very nice. 11-1 and 9-1 reward to risk. Let's say that we would be targeting these highs right here. Otherwise, of course, you can go ahead and target the Asian session highs, which is this one or this one, let's say down here, or this one over here. So you have a 17-1 and a 14-1 win in this occasion, only by using the 1 minute time frame. And let's go ahead and do more examples like that. Again, you wake up at 4 o'clock, okay? We are awake at 4 o'clock right here. What we are waiting to see, once again, around 4:30. First of all, we have to identify the trend until there. It was an uptrend, let's say, but on the 1 minute time frame only. I'm waiting around 4:30, let's say, to see a change of character. Of course, it does not matter if it happens a little bit beforehand. Here we see our change of character. It is close to 4:30, and here we would be placing our pending order right here with a stop loss right above, and we would be targeting, as I said, either those lows or those Asian lows, let's say, that were created at the beginning almost of the Asian session. So this is a loss. Let's move forward. There we go again. We wake up at 4 o'clock. Let's check this out. 4 o'clock, we were in a downtrend. Around 4:30, we want to see a change of character. 4 o'clock, we saw the change of character already taking place here. Here it is around, let's say, 4:30, we have already changed character. This does not actually give us an opportunity to enter a trade. If we would be placing our pending order here, we wouldn't be activated with this move, so we were gonna go ahead and delete it actually. So no chance to enter here. Those wins, we have one loss, and then right here we do have a neutral one which we did not enter. And then let's go ahead once again. We wake up at 4 o'clock, let's say around here. We are not trending, so I'm not gonna be doing anything. There is no clear trend to see. Okay, so again, neutral, we are doing nothing. And you will see, probably it's frustrating if you are not getting the chance to enter a trade, but you will see just by following this one system how much more profitable it's gonna be rather than placing trades back and forth. Again, I wake up at 4 o'clock right here. Okay, we were in a downtrend, correct? Absolutely correct. So I wake up here. I have seen my change of character taking place. I would be placing the pending order somewhere here. 4:15 we would have been into the trade, and I would be targeting at least this high right here. We are losing this trade as well. Lost. Let's move forward. Here. This looks beautiful actually. Yep. Okay, here we are identifying our trend. We are in an uptrend. We wake up at 4 o'clock. Do we see a change of character at 4 o'clock? No, we do not see a change of character. When do we see a change of character? We see it later on at 5 o'clock, after 4:30. Here we see our change of character. We get the extremes. There you go. Of course, you could be using this one in realistic conditions as well. So two trades would be going, one here and one here. And for both, we would be targeting some Asian lows. This low right here is the lowest one. 1 and 2. So we have one loss and we have one win. Very nice. Let's move forward. Here we go again. We are waking up at 4 o'clock. Until then, we can see we are in an uptrend. We wake up at 4 o'clock. We have already seen this change of character taking place right here. So we place our pending order at this order block over here, and we are targeting Asian lows such as this one, let's say, and we are out of the trade. So this is a red line. I'm gonna be doing all of the Asian sessions. Okay, yeah, here we go. Another one. We wake up at 4 o'clock once again. Where do we see the change of character? Right here, after this thing is taking place, here we do see our change of character. So, pending order, we can include this whole area. Right here, we are targeting these Asian highs over here, 13-1. This is another loss. This is what you are expecting in realistic conditions. Here, we don't see any change of character taking place. We keep continuing with the uptrend. So, there is no trade right here. And we are now at recent price action. Let's say with these two we have a 14.48 and a 17.52, a 32%. And let me count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we had 11 trades. Here we have a 13 point plus 13.48.5%, let's say, right here. So we have a total of 40.5%. If you exclude the commissions and all of that stuff, let's do it a solid 37% win, even a little bit more. I exaggerated here probably. No, because the stop losses are small. Let's do it a plus 37% after commissions and all the other bullshit that the market is gonna do to us. So look at that. This took us how many days? 12 days. This result you wouldn't be having with the best of the best strategies. Scalping strategy, 1 minute time frame, AUD USD. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be valid on all USD pairs like Euro US dollar, GBP USD, only using this indicator right here, the sessions indicator. 1 minute time frame, change of character between 4:15 to 5 something o'clock, let's say in the morning, during the Asian session. After chalk has taken place, you just place your pending order at the most recent or the two most recent, let's say, order blocks and target the initial Asian highs or the initial Asian lows. Go ahead again, check out Fairdesk and enjoy your $600 bonus by clicking on my link down in the description. And if you want to perfect your trading strategies, go ahead and enroll into my premium trading course. You will not be missing out. So this is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.